Good morning. Okay, so time to get some breakfast at the Travelodge. They have some complimentary breakfast, so that's really nice. And then we're gonna hit the road. I got my mask on because you need it in the front lobby. And come take a look and I'm gonna show you the breakfast variety that they have. Okay, they have a really nice setup. They have apples as well as yogurt. Then they have a wide variety of tea and coffee. Ah, my favorite. And this medium roast is delicious. Let me tell you that. And then over here, they got hard-boiled eggs, butter, cream cheese, and of course, always use the tongs when you get your bagels. And yay, looks like our bagel is ready. Yum. And they provide utensils as well as plates and napkins. And breakfast hours are between 6 to 10, so make sure you get here early so you can get the goodies. So Alex just made sandwiches and we're gonna eat it at Gorge Road while we're fishing. Nice lunch break. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Looks delicious.
We have salami sandwiches. It's gonna be good when we're out there. Of course, after catching all those fish, work up an appetite.
Definitely. Especially you caught your limit yesterday.
I did.
Woohoo!
You came real close to catching yours.
So close.
But you caught the biggest fish, so it doesn't matter. Nice job.
Thank you, honey. It's another beautiful day, and we are driving to Pleasant Valley Reservoir.
Absolutely. Let's get going. We're gonna try our luck again. We had such good luck last night. Let's do it.
Woo! Let's do it. And look at how pretty this mountain range is. You see that snow? And look at that blue skies. Just absolutely gorgeous. You guys gotta come out and visit Mother Nature here in Bishop, California. The Eastern Sierras. Absolutely breathtaking. Okay, we're ready to hit the road. I'm coming. Okay, now I'm going. Woo! Here we go. Absolutely gorgeous.
Okay, guys, we made it here once again.
Woohoo!
And we're at the famous boat ramp to try our luck again. Wish us luck.
We're gonna catch our limit.
Catch our limit.
Okay, so we got all this stuff. We're totally ready. I even got my backpack on. We got our worms. So now we just have to bring everything down to the bottom. We might need to make 2 trips, but it's so fun and we definitely get our steps in. Okay, so we've only been here 5 minutes and already Ernie caught a fish. Unbelievable. Come on in. This is the time. Woo! Look at that fight. It's a beauty. Okay. We've been here now 7 minutes and now Adrian's getting a bite. Woo! Yeah! This is the spot, Pleasant Valley Reservoir. Check out Adrian go. Adrian's at the point. This is where all the fish are biting. Oh, did you see that? Oh, whoa! Yay! Get him, Adrian, get him! Jeez, he's a fighter. Jeez, what the heck? Oh my goodness! Fly, fish, fly! Adrian, that's a nice one. Tire him out. trying to get away. Can't now. Oh, I got him. Oh, hey, hey, get back here. Get back here, get back here. You're coming with me. You're coming for sure. And I got you. I got him. Nice rainbow. Woo! And I got him on power bait sparkling green and he just loved it. Woo! Okay, let's put it out again. Let's see what else we're gonna catch.
What'd you use, Ace?
Yellow. Ooh, he's big, Adrian. We're keeping this one.
Shit, this guy's big.
Yeah.
This guy's big. Look out.
Holy moly, he's huge. Do you guys have a net?
No, and we didn't bring one either. Just keep reeling them in, Ace.
Gosh, that's huge. That's the biggest one. Oh my goodness. It's a whale. Come on, Adrian, you got him. Holy moly. Adrian, you got it. Oh my gosh. Bring him to shore. Go back.
Careful the line, careful the line.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Grab him by the tail.
Get him, get him.
Oh my goodness.
Grab him by the tail, Ernie.
Get him, get
Get
him.
him, get him. Grab him by the tail, Ernie.
Oh.
Did he come off?
Come on.
Okay, so we're using power bait sparkling green and check it out. It is so buoyant in the water. And I just caught that trout. It's about 11 inches and it's a rainbow, so they really like it. So I'm gonna put my line back out and see what happens. Hopefully I catch another big one. So let's throw it in.
Ernie, yesterday
Okay, here I
you
go.
gave me a hook and a swivel and a string. That was the hook. Oh, really? Yeah, it was all rusted and stuff.
Perfect. Set the reel and just wait.
Rusted?
I'm anticipating 10 minutes. Just joking. It could be 2 hours, who knows? But it's so fun fishing. Okay, so I'm changing up the bait. I'm going with power bait in sparkling orange, and it brought me luck yesterday. Let's see if it's gonna do it again. Perfect spot. Alex got one. Whoa! Come on, baby. Bring him in. Bring him in. Yeah, he is.
Like a brown.
Oh, pretty.
Got him on a worm.
Holy moly. He's a big one.
Brown.
Cool, huh?
Beautiful. Whoop. You slapped me. Got it? Okay, he's coming, he's coming. Where are you? Where are you? Come out, wherever you are. There you are. Come on. bite. There it goes. Whoa! Get him, honey, get him.
Got him. I think I need the rag. Hold him up. There you go. There you go. Perfect.
Nice.
It's like a regular outdoorsman photo, huh? Seriously.
Okay, so this was so quick. I decided to check on my bait, and I just wanted to pull it back in, and this guy said, hey, this looks good. I want to take a bite. And look at him. What a nice one. Hello. Okay, let's put him back out. Okay, so I just reeled in my 4th fish, and I was using night crawlers, so now my husband just put another one on, and I'm ready to throw it in. And here it goes. Perfect. Just where I wanted it. Okay, let's see what happens. Just need one more to go for my limit. Okay, fun day at Pleasant Valley Reservoir with my husband and his friends and our friends. And check out what we caught. We all did good, and here's the 4 fish I caught, and we're gonna have a fish fry. So much fun, and now we're packing it up because it's getting dark, and we still have a bike ride back to the car, about 1.5 miles. So catch you guys later. So we had a fun day fishing.
Oh my goodness, we were the last people to leave again today. Now let's grab some dinner.
We worked up the appetite. We're gonna have Mexican food.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, we had a busy day today, catching all kinds of fish. Suzy knocked him dead. She caught her 4, almost caught her 5th fish, but we had to call it a night because it was getting dark. Now here we are back at our hotel. We've got dinner ready to go. You gotta check this out. We went to a place that's around the corner. Suzy picked up some tacos.
I picked up taco salad.
She picked up taco salad, and I picked up American tacos.
Yum, yum, yum.
Let's have dinner.
So the nice thing about Travelodge is they have this back area where you can gut the fish, and they have a refrigerator freezer. And as you can see, it's filled with all our fish from our whole fishing trip. So I guess we've been having lots of luck. So after you're done gutting the fish, then Alex likes to clean the place up and make it look nicer than how it was when he first came. Okay, so I got my fish for today that Alex just gutted, and I'm gonna go put it in the freezer. I already put Alex's in. Okay, this is Suzy roast. That's Alex. Nice. See? Quick and easy. My husband's a pro. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.